Hi, I'm Taylor, and welcome to my video assignment. So, this week's assignment was about computer technology innovations. So, what I did was I just went onto YouTube and I was looking at new technology between 2017 and 2018. I'm interested in the medical field, so that's the route that I took, was finding new medical technologies. What I found was this item called iBreast exam. It was mostly developed because it's not considered a developing country anymore. It's actually more of a lower middle economic stance, but they still have issues with healthcare. And there's a high percentage of women that are actually dying from breast cancer. So they created this technology that is a cheap way to help find breast cancer. I found this very interesting. Um, I don't have any personal experience with breast cancer itself or in my family, but I know of plenty of people that have been affected, and I know their families have been affected and that kind of things. So I'll just show a quick segment of what iBreast exam kind of is about.
A breast exam. Mammography technology isn't feasible in India due to high equipment costs. This fact, combined with the high costs of medical checkups and little awareness of the disease throughout the nation, have led to Indian women having the highest breast cancer mortality rate in the world. iBreast exam could change all of that. It's a diagnostic tool that performs painless and radiation-free breast scans while relaying the results of the test instantly.
So I would also just like to reiterate of the importance that what they said was that there is no radiation, and that is one thing when it comes to scannings for cancer, is the amount of radiation that goes into the body. Because what radiation does is it can actually cause not genetic mutations, but it can cause issues to your cells that could actually form the cancer. So after watching that video, I opened up the website itself, and there is really, the technology is outstanding. It's very cheap to use. It's incredibly important for all women. I would just like to show also this 1-minute teaser that kind of explains a lot too that the video didn't. Yeah, and I would just like to clarify how important that is, that 90% of women don't have access to early detection, and early detection really is key here in fighting cancer. I don't mean to have this segment all about how dangerous cancer is. I'm sure you're all aware of the dangers, but that's just why I find this technology so incredible. Yeah, so the video just continues on about how easy it is to use, and as you could tell from the video itself, it easily hooks up to your phone, by a Bluetooth device, which means this machine obviously has a computer chip in it. So I'm really excited to see this technology, and it was pretty fascinating to research all the new technology and how far we've come. I appreciate the assignment. To answer some of the questions, one of the first questions was, what did you find particularly interesting about this innovation, and why did you choose it? I feel like I've kind of talked about that through this presentation. I feel like I'm a cancer survivor, so early detection for me was extremely important in becoming a survivor, and that's probably why I find this technology so incredible. Question 2 was, what or will be the benefits to individuals and or society? Again, I feel like kind of went over that, but just to, again, reiterate, women in India are having a hard time with early detection, and the fact that we can make early detection possible for them at a cheap and efficient manner will save lots of lives, hopefully. And question 3, do you think this innovation will create jobs or displace employees or both? I believe this could create more jobs. If anything, it's definitely not going to displace anybody, because I'm sure the hospitals are going to be full of people no matter what the people are in there for, whether they're cancer patients or injuries or some things like that. So I don't think it will displace jobs at all, but I do believe that this will make a better situation for everybody. Okay, well, that's my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed doing the research for this, and I feel happy about it. I'm glad that I discovered this new technology. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.